everyone. So today we will discuss about the topic dual nature of matter. So what is dual nature of matter? The word dual nature define itself, or it is also called De-Broglie equation. So what is dual nature of matter? The matter acts both as a particle and wave-like properties. This means just as the photon has momentum as well as it has wavelength. Also electron have same. So what is dual nature? It has a particle type nature and also a wave-like nature. It has particle and wave-like nature. So here we take wavelength is equal to lambda, momentum is equal to P, or we can change it into M into V. What is M and V? Here M is equal to mass of electron, and what is V? It is velocity of electron. Now we proceed to the equation. It is lambda inversely proportional to 1 by mv. When we change this, lambda is equal to h by m into v. Why here h? And what is h? Here h is equal to Planck's constant. When we remove the proportional sign, we put here a constant, and the constant is Planck's constant. And what is the value of this? The value of Planck's constant is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joules second. So here lambda is equal to h by what is m into v. Here we take m into v is equal to p. So here we can write m into v is equal to p. So here we can get the equation, and this equation is called De-Broglie equation. Through the help of this formula only, we can solve many of the numerical problems. Hope you will clear to this topic. If you have any kind of doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below, and in what topic you want another video, you can comment me and tell me. Thank you.